Squats are one of the best exercises to train your entire body. Just look online and you'll find countless before and after pictures showing incredible transformations from people who added daily squats to their routine. But what actually happens to your body when you do squats regularly? Which muscles are activated, and how do they impact your fitness and overall health? Stay tuned, because the answers might surprise you. First of all, different types of squats. Squats come in many variations of classic squats with bodyweight squats, additional weight, e.g., with dumbbells or barbell jump squats for more explosiveness and strength. Most people start with classic squats, where the feet stand shoulder-width apart and lower the hips lowered until the thighs parallel to the ground. Second, which muscles squats train far more than just your leg muscles. They target the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, including the gluteus maximus, medius, and minimus. But that's not all. Your core, abdominal muscles, lower back, and stabilizers are also fully engaged. These core muscles are essential for maintaining strong posture and stability. In fact, squats work almost half of your body at once, and that's one of the key reasons why they're such an incredibly effective exercise. Thirdly, more muscle growth. Squats promote muscle growth and give you toned legs. One of the first effects you'll notice is that your muscles become stronger and more defined. Unlike sports like running or cycling, which do little to build muscle mass, squats lead to visible changes in as little as 1 month. By doing daily squats, you can already see stronger, firmer, and more defined leg and glute muscles, especially if you track your progress with before and after photos. Fourth, squats help with weight loss. Since squats engage some of the largest muscle groups in the body, they burn a high amount of calories. Building more muscle mass also means your body uses more energy at rest, which naturally boosts your metabolism and leads to more effective fat loss. On top of that, squats trigger the afterburn effect, so your body continues burning calories even after your workout is finished. Who regularly does squats improves his body composition, reduces fat, and develops a defined athletic figure. Fifthly, better circulation. Squats improve circulation and support cardiovascular health. They don't just strengthen your muscles, they also give your heart and circulatory system a boost. Regular squats improve blood flow, which helps reduce the risk of varicose veins. The intense effort also strengthens the heart, enhances oxygen delivery, and improves overall performance. The fitter and stronger your muscles become, the more efficiently your heart works. Over time, this lowers the risk of cardiovascular diseases and keeps your entire body healthier. Sixth, better posture. Squats promote an upright posture as they strengthen the muscles in the lower back and strengthen the abdominal area, but the technique must be correct. Keep your back straight to avoid a hunchback the torso around the spine to stabilize. Make sure that your knees should not extend beyond the toes. With the correct execution, you will notice that your posture noticeably improves. Seventh, more endurance squats don't just work your muscles, they also improve your breathing and overall fitness. Through controlled movement, you naturally develop better breathing techniques, while the intensity of squats helps increase lung capacity and endurance. This translates into more strength and stamina for other activities like running, cycling, or soccer. Doing squats daily also improves flexibility in the hips and ankles, which is especially important for people who spend long hours sitting. The result? Better performance, greater mobility, and a healthier, more resilient body. Better mobility. Regular squats do much more than build strength. They also improve flexibility and reduce stiffness in the joints, which lowers your risk of injury. By activating multiple muscles at the same time, squats enhance coordination and stability. When performed correctly, they can even help relieve existing back and knee pain by strengthening the supporting muscles. Ninth, stronger glute muscles. Squats also build a stronger core, which improves posture, adds stability, and reduces strain on the lower back, leading to less pain and better overall movement. Through strengthened muscles, better posture, and an upright gait, squats are far more than just a leg workout. They're also one of the best core exercises you can do. 10th, squat variations for more variety. The classic squat is the foundation, but there are countless variations to make your training more effective and exciting. Sumo squats target the inner thighs. Jump squats boost explosiveness and burn more calories. Goblet squats with a kettlebell add resistance and engage your torso more. Pistol squats, one-legged squats, challenge your balance, control, and strength at the highest level. So, which squat variation is your favorite? Share it in the comments below. In conclusion, squats offer incredible benefits, from muscle growth and fat burning to improved posture and mobility. Now it's your turn. How many squats can you do in one go? Drop your number in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel.